To download and install Dwarven Realms on your PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. To do this, type Steam into a search engine and navigate to the official Steam website. Then click the Install Steam button at the top of the page. Select your platform, such as Windows, and click Install Steam again to download the Steam setup file. Once downloaded, open the setup file and follow the prompts to install Steam, selecting your language and choosing a destination folder for the installation. Once Steam is installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in to an existing one. After logging in, navigate to the Steam store by hovering over the Store button and selecting Featured. From there, use the search box to find Dwarven Realms, and select the game from the search results. Click Add to Cart and then View Cart to proceed to the payment process. Choose a payment method and complete the checkout process to purchase the game. Once the game is purchased, it will be added to your Steam library, where you can access it by clicking Library and selecting Games. Click the Install button to download and install the game, selecting your preferred installation options, such as desktop or start menu shortcuts and the drive where you want to install the game. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking the green Play button. The game will then be ready to play, and you can start exploring the world of Dwarven Realms.